Hi guys, this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel. Well, in this video, I will be talking about my first experience of using vitamin C on my face, on my skin. So I recently bought this vitamin C serum from this brand called Derma. Well, Derma is a brand which makes products for your skin and hair, and they are all clinically formulated. So you can go to their website and shop products online. In fact, they also offer an assessment form wherein you can write your skin concerns, and basically it's like a questionnaire, so you have to answer that and then they suggest you products accordingly. Well, I didn't do that. I just straight away went and bought this vitamin C serum because I really wanted one for my skin and I wanted to experience if it really works. So before I start talking about this vitamin C product in detail and how it helps our skin, if it worked for me or if it did not work for me, I just want to tell you two things quickly. Firstly, if you guys are wondering, those who know me, and in case if you guys are wondering how come I have these long hair today, well, I am wearing these this ponytail extensions, which is from Diva Divine. So if you want that, I will put a link in the description box, and you can also use my coupon code. I will be posting this video on my Instagram also. And secondly, in case if you guys are new, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Well, and now let's begin with the main topic of this video, which is vitamin C. So we'll talk about what this brand actually claims to offer. So this is how the packaging looks like, and the vitamin C comes in this bottle. So this is a 20% vitamin C serum which has FELURIC acid and HYLURONIC acid in it. So it's a combination of these three things. Well, FELURIC and HYLURONIC acids are great for our skin. They help to keep your skin hydrated, moist, lubricated. They keep the tissues lubricated and moist, so which is very, very good. In fact, our skin produces hyaluronic acid, but with age the production reduces. So it's very important that we apply serums and creams which has this ingredient present. And this vitamin C, since it had all these ingredients, I was very, very tempted to buy. Now, what vitamin C does, I'm going to tell you exactly. So I'll be telling you about these three main ingredients that are present in this serum. Well, vitamin C, it says that vitamin C evens and brightens the skin tone, which I actually needed. Hyaluronic acid improves the appearance of blemish-prone and acne-prone skin. The third ingredient, which is FELURIC acid, it says it significantly increases antioxidant protection. It's suitable for anyone who has a dull complexion, uneven skin tone and texture. So I told you about the three main ingredients that are present in the serum. Apart from that, it has a lot of other ingredients as well. So it's a big list, can't read all of that right now. So how you need to use it is make sure that your face is absolutely clean, of course, and then apply this serum all over your face. I think 3 to 5 drops are enough, and then on top of it you can moisturize your face with whatever moisturizer you're using. And in case if you're using this serum in the morning, then it says that you should always apply a sunscreen. So this is something that you should remember. Whenever you apply a vitamin C on your skin, always use a sunscreen on top of it, because it can react with this in sun exposure and can cause damage to your skin. So a sunscreen is a must in the morning if you're using vitamin C. So this is about it's how to use it and the ingredients and stuff. Now, when I received this product, obviously I told you all, I ordered this product online. This is how the bottle looks. So this is a 20 ml bottle and it costed me 899 rupees. Sorry guys, excuse my hands, the mehendi is just fading away. It looks ugly. All right, let me just try to show the bottle like this. So this is a 20 ml bottle and this is the packaging it comes in. Of course, it comes in a box first and then the serum comes in this bottle. I didn't get any discount, but yes, there are some bloggers who are offering coupon codes, so maybe you can use that and get some discount. Well, I didn't get any discount. I bought it for 899 rupees, and it is made in India, so that's the best part about it. And I really wanted, and that is one more reason why I wanted to try this vitamin C, because it's made in India. Yeah, so I'm going to tell you about my experience of using this vitamin C serum. So it's been 4 weeks. I thought, you know, I will record every week how my skin feels, which I tried recording, but I just could not see any difference. So hence I deleted those videos. So I use this serum. Firstly, I always had to apply a moisturizer on top because my skin is dry. So it was not giving me that enough hydration and moisturization which I actually needed. And I have used it for 4 weeks. I have not seen a major difference in my skin. I have some pigmentation here, little spots here, and as it claims that all the dark spots and the pigmentation reduces after its use. Well, that did not happen in my case. However, I spoke to other people who have been using Derma products, so they are very happy with some of their products. But again, vitamin C, when it comes to vitamin C, some of them said that yes, they have not seen a huge difference in it in their skin. So the same thing happened with me also. I didn't see any difference in my skin, like not a major difference, something that I could spot. No, it didn't happen for me. So yes, I was quite disappointed with that, because it is an expensive bottle. It costed 899 rupees. However, there are other vitamin C serums that are available in the market for a lesser price. So I bought one recently, which again I will start using in few weeks, and I will tell you all how it felt and if I saw some results, if I saw a little change in my skin. But whereas when it comes to this product, absolutely there was no the skin that I was expecting a little glow, and I thought my dark spots will reduce. Well, that did not happen. But however, I still have little trust in this Derma brand, because of course it is it is made by dermatologists. The products are made by dermatologists, so of course they have to be good. But I don't know, just this particular product was not for me, or maybe it was not for my skin type. Maybe I need to try something else. So yes, this is my experience with Derma vitamin C serum. In case if you guys are planning to buy any Derma products, I would say go visit their website, take the assessment. You have to send the pictures to them of your skin, and then they suggest you the products accordingly. Maybe you can do that, or else of course, or else you wait for the review of my other vitamin C, which I have bought recently. I won't reveal the brand name here right now. Only once I test that product on my skin, see how it works for me, and if I see any kind of changes in my skin, only then I think I will recommend that brand to you guys. So, but yes, vitamin C is great for your skin, but yes, you have to make sure that if you apply it during the day, you have to apply it along with the sunscreen. You have to apply good sunscreen on top of it. That's about it. Well, I am honestly looking forward to trying more clinically formulated products. So in case if you guys have any suggestion for me, then do let me know in the comment section below. And thank you for watching this. And since lot of you, when I posted on my Insta that I bought this product, lot of you were telling me that please do a review, because even they wanted to buy, because this brand is really trending and all the bloggers are talking about it. So yes, I wanted to try it, so I bought it, and I have told you guys what I think about this particular product. Maybe it works for you girls, I don't know, but I was slightly disappointed. So here is my review. So this was my review about this brand, and sorry, not about the brand, about the product, because I am willing to try more products from this particular brand. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe.